Hello there. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into a rewarding DIY project, building your very own partition wall. It's a fantastic way to redefine your space, add functionality, and inject your personal touch into your home. Let's get started with the foundation of our project, the studs. We'll be using 2x4 lumber, carefully cut to the precise lengths needed for your wall's dimensions. Accuracy here is key, so take your time with your measurements and cut. Once everything is sized up, sanding down any rough edges. On the studs, we'll not only make them safer to handle, but also ensure a smoother finish for your partition wall. Now, we move on to crafting the frame. This is where your wall begins to take shape. We'll assemble the cut studs into a sturdy rectangular frame, ensuring all connections are secure and square. Think of this as the skeleton of your new wall. Once the frame is built, we'll move to the next exciting step, staining. Choosing a stain that complements your existing decor will add warmth and character to your partition. Apply it evenly, allowing it to soak in and bring out the natural beauty of the wood. After the stain has dried completely, it's time to consider the next layer. Depending on your vision, you might opt for drywall, plywood, or even a more decorative paneling. This is where you can really let your creativity shine. Carefully measure and cut your chosen material to fit the frame, ensuring a snug and seamless fit. Attaching this material securely will be crucial for the wall's integrity. With the main structure in place, we'll focus on the finishing touches. This might involve adding trim around the edges for a polished look, or perhaps installing hardware if you're incorporating a door or opening. Every detail contributes to the overall aesthetic and functionality of your DIY partition wall. Remember, the beauty of DIY is the journey and the satisfaction of creating something with your own hands. Take pride in each step, and don't be afraid to adapt the process to your specific needs and style. This partition wall is more than just a divider. It's a testament to your ingenuity and a valuable addition to your living space. Thank you so much for joining us on this DIY adventure. I hope this step-by-step guide empowers you to tackle your own partition wall project with confidence. If you found this helpful, please consider giving me a follow or subscribing for more creative DIY ideas. Happy building!